Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will show that how to increase the layout of the page. Okay, so if you are using Elementor page builder, so this video is for you guys. The Elementor provide the default layout to be 1140, and you can increase the layout of the page according to your design. Okay, so this layout is to be the default layout 1140, and now we will change it to be 1300. So how we will do that? So let's get started. So I'm gonna click on edit with Elementor. Once the page builder has successfully enabled, and here you will see the setting options here. So I'm gonna click on this setting, and here you will see this icon. So now I'm gonna click on this icon, and then I'm gonna click on side setting. Scroll down, you will see here the layout. So I'm gonna click on this layout, and here you will see the default width of this content 1140. Now I will change it to be 1300. You will see the live preview here. Now I'm gonna click on update. Okay, so now I'm gonna refresh this page. So I'm gonna refresh it. Here you will see the page layout. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.